Now we're in dirty movie mode, boys, because it's in 60. I'm doing it like Scotty does.
Oh, so you're gonna have better quality, is what you're saying, because Scotty's better quality.
You're the fluffer from Wish. Anyway.
Hey, I thought it was Amazon.
Okay, he's from Wish.
Okay, fair enough.
Okay, so tires. We're gonna have a very serious tire conversation.
Yes.
So
and
serious.
We're gonna start with my Jaguar just got 4 new tires put on it.
Your Jaguar.
Yes. Absolutely beautiful. I love my car.
Baby.
Okay, now we got them because these have a date code of 1020.
So they're 3.5 years old. That's the second week in March, basically.
Yep. So not a big deal.
Oh, these are pre-COVID tires.
These are pre-COVID tires.
These are probably where the tires that the COVID came over with.
Wouldn't surprise me.
You're the.
That was it. I caused it. So it really wasn't a bat in Wuhan. It was me in the UK. So the reason why these were changed is I started noticing that I had. I don't know if you can get that on film.
Ribbed for your pleasure.
The dip.
Dip.
That is a blown belt. And then there's another one here and another one here.
Yeah, it's a belt that's coming apart.
So I went, okay, well, they're due. They're 20,000 mile tires that I got 27,000 miles on because I don't drive hard. But if you look.
Oh, that could fool me when I rode with you.
Well, hang. No, I was hard. There's a difference.
This is a serious video.
I am being serious.
Yeah, you're seriously hard, I think. Anyway.
But you can see how the tires are just kind of...
You were starting to ripple.
Yeah, exactly.
Look. Come on, focus, you bastard.
I think you can see that.
There we go. Oh, yeah, look at that.
You got that?
Yeah.
Okay, now here's the fun part. These tires are barely 3.5 years old. Now, ready?
Look at that sidewall cracking. Okay.
That's bad.
Now, these are 3.5. Okay, boys? 3.5. Now, we just found the date codes here on Bill's Mustang while we were bleeding the brakes. And Bill definitely needs to buy tires. Like, we probably shouldn't let him take the car home until we get tires ordered and on. Oh.
Okay, now these...
Right here.
Nope.
1251.
No, these are right.
Oh,
he got them all at the same time.
Oh, yeah. Here, bring it down. Just turn the wheel. There you go. Come on, put some ass into it.
I don't have an ass! Okay, there we go.
There it is.
Can you see that?
Yeah, 4302.
02. So it's 4302, which means
43rd week
of 2002.
So
these are 21-year-old tires.
October of 02. They're 21 on the Bing Bang, basically.
Yep. And these, now granted, the car sits a lot, which is fine, I get it.
Yeah.
But you're starting to develop, right here at this particular spot, you're starting to develop a flat spot in the tire.
Yep. You can see it starting to crack here around in hots, right there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
So this has got to be an inside stored vehicle where mine's not. Mine's outside all the time.
Yeah, this is in the garage of his house all the time. But 21-year-old tires. Yeah. That's a no-no.
And they're Maxim.
They were Remington.
Remington Maxim. Maxxum.
Maxim 2.
Yeah. Ooh, sorry, Maxim 2.
Ribbed for your pleasure.
Yes.
Anyway, so Bill needs tires for sure.
Oh, without a doubt.
I mean, I'm going to have a conversation with him on this. But this is more of a public service announcement for everybody. Check the date codes on your tires.
Yes.
5 years starts getting questionable around here.
Oh, yeah, if that.
And a lot of guys go 10 years on their classics because we don't drive them.
Yeah. Right.
They're still new.
Yeah.
No,
they're not. Well, I mean, the biggest issue is if you are like me and I don't have a garage to put my car in yet, the heat will suck the life out of your tires. It just dries them off completely.
Yeah.
I wish I had pictures of my 64 Plymouth because it's sitting now.
Yeah.
And those tires were already a couple of years old.
And now they're totaled. Guaranteed.
Yeah, they're done.
Yep.
But when you start getting, in my opinion, now this is just my opinion, so take it for whatever it's worth. anything above 3 years, if you have a vehicle that's not stored inside, not out of the sun, not parked in a garage at work or whatever, then yeah, 3 years is pushing it.
3 years out
Stored
here.
inside, 5 to 6 maybe. And I think that's kind of pushing it as well.
And that depends if it's in the desert, because even
Yeah.
in the summertime, if it's sitting in a garage,
Oh yeah, you're
Hot
heat's
garage.
in it,
Oh, yeah.
kill it.
Yeah, I mean, we get cars come in with 6, 7-year-old tires, and they're okay.
Yeah.
But like, what were Mo's? Like 2012, 2013?
Yeah.
Yeah, we had a conversation with him.
And
they're
those
like,
were
oh, yeah.
just destroyed.
Yeah, but the tread looked good.
Oh yeah, tread looked
But it was
amazing.
a lot like yours. You
Yeah.
look at the sidewall, you flex it a little bit, and there comes the.
Yeah, there's the
comes the
hidden
stuff.
secrets.
So
So remember, squish it.
he's trying to think of a funny.
No, I'm trying to be somewhat respectable, maybe, kind of.
Anyway, so 5 years max. Start looking for tires.
Yeah.
If you have 10 years or older tires, get them replaced now.
Yep,
Like
immediately.
these. Yeah, we're gonna have to talk to Bill. Tell him, hey,
Yep.
he's got to go.
I agree. And I think if he does approve the tires, I think we need to increase the white wall size. Just,
We need to find the right white wall.
yeah, because I don't think this white wall is right. It needs a white wall, I agree.
Because
But I think
it's not
that
a
white wall,
GT.
if I remember
It's
correctly.
not a GT. It's
well, the
gotta have a white
GT
wall.
had a red line,
Red lines, yes.
which would be amazing, but this isn't a GT. So
No,
I'm
no.
thinking it needs to have that 3/4 inch.
I think that's about 3/4 inch. Get the tape measure. We're getting all fancy now.
3/4 of an inch.
Yep. All right, so he needs these.
I know my size.
3/4 of an inch?
Yep.
Hey,
Well, you know, it is what it is. All right, so tire PSA. Check.